Happy ba kayong lahat?
Yes!
Ako naman, I'm so happy to be back home and thank you, Acer, for having me again this year. Last year, nandito ako. This year, I'm here again. And sana next year, nandito rin ako. Let's manifest. Pero meron akong good news sa buhay ko. Sa buhay ng mga fans ko. That one of my greatest wish came true. 21 is back! Parang gusto ko uminom.
21! 21! 21! 21! 21! 21! 21!
We're starting a tour, starting from October in Seoul, and sana many more countries. Dapat meron din Manila stuff, di ba? Hindi ko na Manila sa 21 tour. At sana dito ulit kami mag-concert sa Moa Arena, just like before. Let's pray for that. And to celebrate 21's comeback, pinili kong next song ay para sa inyo. If you know the song, sabihan niyo ako. Let's go. Kantayin ng 21 song. Sana next time, apat na kami. Thank you so much for Darlings and Blackjacks. And to all my Acer family for the beautiful memory again tonight. And for the next song, ito na yung last song ko, so you have to enjoy. And sige, isipin natin, practice natin to for 21's concert. So, can you guys help me? Really love coming to Acer Day kasi bukod sa nakakasama ko kayong lahat, I get to perform with so many artists na I admire. Ako, sobrang excited na ako. Baka kilala niyo ang mga brand ambassadors na to. Kilala niyo ba? Ako, pinipilig naman ako. Nahalima ang mundo sa galing nila. Pero, syempre, mahalima na din sila. Dati pa, everybody, welcome to the stage, Pablo, Josh,